Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine. I am Miss Habiba Naeem, your English teacher. Let's start our lesson. Today's topic is present continuous tense. But before starting that tense, I would like to explain these two things, subject and object. What is subject? The subject of a sentence is a person or thing doing something. Object, a person or thing to which something is done. See the example. A hunter killed a lion. In this sentence, hunter is subject and lion is an object. Now here is a question related to subject and object. Encircle subjects and underline objects in the following sentences. Here are 4 sentences. I would like to guide you people. Just see sentence number 1. He is reading a book. In this sentence, he is subject and book is an object. In the same way, do remaining 3 sentences as well. Let's start our lesson. As you know, today's topic is present continuous tense. Continuous progressive verbs are used to define something which is happening at a certain moment in time. Verb construction of this present tense. When we make affirmative sentence, first we have to use subject, then use of is rm, then verb with ing. Look at the example like I am cooking dinner, she is sitting on a chair, the children are playing in the garden. How will we change into negative? First use of subject, then use of is rm plus not, then verb with ing. See the example. I am not working today. John is not doing his homework. You are not going without me. How will we change into question form? First use of is rm, then use of subject, then use of verb with ing. See the example. Am I doing the right thing? Is Mary doing her homework? Are they playing tennis? Now see some sentences in the form of affirmative, negative and interrogative. First is I am running, I am not running, am I running? Second sentence, you are running, you are not running, are you running? He is running, he is not running, is he running? She is running, she is not running, is she running? It is running, it is not running, is it running? We are running, we are not running, are we running? You are running, you are not running, are you running? They are running, they are not running, are they running? Now here is assignment for you, as I have added in your notes as well. See the question. Fill in the blanks using verb in the present continuous form. You dash listen to the music. How will you do this? You are listening to the music in this way. So he dash cry. I dash swim in the swimming pool. Ahmed dash wait for her daughter. Dash she dash watch TV. Here is question mark. Remember this. Next is her husband dash not cook dinner. It must be in negative form. Next one, Tim dash not singing a song, again in negative form. Now last one, dash your mother dash working today. It must be in interrogative form. Now see, convert these sentences from your notes into negative and interrogative sentences. First is, he is learning how to read. I am having a bath. I am reading a fantastic book. Mark is driving a new car. They are looking for their bags. Thank you. God bless you all.